This is the Google dLight. Here's the deal. Back in February of 2022, Google released a lamp that nobody could buy unless you were a Google employee. Now, I'm not a Google employee, so how did I get one? Well, they popped up on eBay. They're expensive.
Ouch!
I got a knife! All right, boys. So, here we go. There we go. The seal is broken. Oh. All right, gonna hit everything. Oh, wow. All right, I actually, how does this, got some origami going on here. Holy buckets, dudes. This is a fancy light. And here it is. Oh, I gotta take the bag off. Yo, this is clean. Ooh, how do I? Okay, so one of the great things about this lamp, you can use it not only as a lamp, but even a fill light. So you can push it up and have it at your desk here, and you're like lighting yourself, but I don't have it plugged in. Hold on. Cable. All right. We got power. So let's go ahead and plug in our thing here. It looks like it uses a standard barrel plug thing. How does this work? I maybe just hit the power button? Holy balls. Yo, that is cool. Do I look beautiful? I do look beautiful. Now, another thing that you can do with this is you can change the color temperature of the light. So right now we're warm, but ooh, we're gonna go cool now. Isn't that neat? Wow. And check this out. You can also change the brightness. So ooh, there we go. Now it's a little dim lull thing. Isn't that neat? Of course, you can turn it down or any angle you want. Heck, you can even turn it up if you want to light your ceiling for some reason. Why? I don't know. Oh, you know what? This thing also has Google Home compatibility, but I am not at my home network right now. So I'm gonna pack this thing back up and we're gonna go home. All right, so we're back home and I got this thing out of the box. There are like instructions and I found out you can do 2 more things that I didn't know before. The first, this thing raises up. Well, that's cool. And second, it rotates. That's cool too. You guys want to see the Google Home integration. So here is the dLight. We're gonna tap on that. We'll throw it right here on the screen. Here, obviously you can control the temperature. That's brightness, that's brightness. You can control brightness, but then also from the app, you can control color temperature. So there's some presets down here at the bottom, or you can tap on that and use that little slider thingy. And of course, because it's the Google Assistant, hey, turn off the dLight. There we go. Isn't that cool? One more thing. The USB-C port on the back, I think it's to charge your phone, but it doesn't seem to work. I plug my phone in and nothing happens, so yeah. All right, that's all I have to say about this lamp. This is the end. Bye-bye.